Hey everyone, welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jennifer at Home, and myself, Jean Home Decor, and more. So today I'm sharing with you a recipe, rich pasta for the poor kitchen. Y'all, I love pasta. I love pasta. So this recipe I think is really great, especially when you don't want to be fooling around in the kitchen too long. So I'm going to share this recipe with you. Watch it until the end because it really is an easy recipe, especially if you like pasta. Don't forget to stop by Simply Grace Lifestyle and Jennifer at Home and see what they are cooking or baking up for you today for quick and easy meals. So let's get started. Okay, so I like the title, Rich Pasta for the Poor Kitchen. I thought that was really catchy. And you can see this recipe has 4.5 stars. And the pasta, doesn't that look good, you guys, with the parsley and Parmesan cheese? You could put any kind of cheese on it, though, if you like. And then, here's the prep time, 10 minutes, cook time, 15, total 25. And this recipe serves 4. Now we're moving into why you would like this recipe. Now we move down to the ingredients. You need your spaghetti, butter, garlic, parsley, black pepper, a little heat, cayenne pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. Then we go into the directions for preparing our rich pasta for the poor kitchen. So you're making your sauce and then you're adding that to your pasta. And then they give you a recipe tip if you would like to add, some tomatoes. So this recipe is really good, I think. And you can pair it with a glass of Chardonnay or red wine and maybe a little bread like a French baguette or, some Texas toast. Perfect. Hope you like this recipe. If you do, guys, please be so kind to give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.